Hey, this is Eric Redbeard Custom Works again. Show you my latest little project here. Got a chicken plucker I kind of put together. Alright, I just kind of threw this thing together. Nothing fancy about it for sure. Just kind of some scrap wood that I had laying around. Built kind of an A-frame. Used a 4-inch PVC pipe. It's 14 inches long. Just cut out some round circles and drilled a 1/2 inch hole and have a 1/2 inch bar that goes all the way through it. You can kind of see up close. I tacked a washer to the bar, drilled holes in it so it would connect to that piece of wood. Drilled all these holes, and I ordered these rubber plucker fingers, and I put those all the way around it, 5 rows of them. These boards right here, they are just 3/8 plywood with a piece of PVC that I cut in half, just glued on the top of it. Let your chicken slide real good without getting splinters or anything in it. But these had a couple screws here where I could adjust it up and down whenever I depending on the size of the chicken. Eventually would like to power it with electric motor and a foot switch, but for right now just a 1/2 inch drill, and put a little clip on here and show you this beast in action.